Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should start inside Minecraft Java, open single player and select the world you want. Once selected, click Edit, then open World folder to jump directly to the save directory. This bypasses manual navigation and ensures you access the correct profile's files. Make sure Minecraft is closed if you plan to copy or move files, because the game can overwrite changes. If Open World folder is grayed out, note the world may be running on a server or using a different profile. Check Logged In. Once the world folder opens, you'll see level, dat session, lock, and a region subfolder containing Macaw files you want level, dat for world metadata and the region folder for chunks. If you need the full folder, copy the entire directory. This preserves player data, advancements, and settings. Make sure to check the folder name. Minecraft matches it to the in-game title. If you prefer manual pathing, go to %appdata%/ Minecraft/ saves on Windows or ~/ application, support /Minecraft. You should copy the entire world folder to a safe backup location and compress it to a zip for easy restores. Once done, close Minecraft before replacing or editing files to avoid corruption. If a file seems missing or the world won't load, try restoring your zip backup first. If that fails, use a tool like MCA Selector to recover chunks or identify corrupt Macaw files. Make sure file permissions match your OS user. Otherwise, Minecraft may not read the saved world correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.